Good Tuesday morning. We are on our morning walk. Just enjoying this beautiful early September morning. This part of our walk is kind of pretty back here. On this path. It's a lovely morning. The sun is coming up over there. Yesterday was a holiday here in America. It was our Labor Day. Chris's mom came over and we looked at some pictures of when Chris was little and some of that type of thing. So we'll see what the day brings. Continue to share this lovely morning and then see, because it's gotten cooler, the dogs have gotten more playful, so maybe we can get back to some outdoor. Watch out, that plant looks like it has stickies on it. But you can see maybe it peeking through those leaves there, the sun coming up. So we're gonna find our specific spot on the tree, but it's really a nice little path, walkway back here. Come on, bud. Chaos, come on. Do what you're gonna do, but we're falling behind. We gotta do the sniff thing, and for him it takes, come on, bud. Come on. It takes forever, but there's the sunrise for you. Isn't that beautiful? It's a beautiful fall day. Share this morning with you and see what happens this afternoon. We may take these guys to the dog park, I don't know. See if I can't get some video for you at the dog park. Oh no, someone lost their ears. But the sunrise is up there, so we'll see what the day brings. Chaos, come on. Do we have to sniff everything? Really? It's just such a lovely morning. Oh, we gotta go sniff this tree. We are back from our walk. This poor yard is taking a beating. But it's now September, so we get to reseed it and hope that we get more grass to grow back. Otherwise, maybe next spring we can sod it. Except for, here where I have often said, you can see where we have the swift paws set up and they attack the ground. But the stuff off the roof just makes this impossible through here. Chaos went behind the shed. There he is. Miss Maile is right here. Hi, sweetie. Here's Mr. Go get him. Go get him. Morning puppy playtime. Get her. Hello. Is that it? That's all you got? What about you, Chaos? What about you, puppy? Hey, handsome. Hey, handsome. Hi, handsome. Go get her. Get her. Oh, no. Breakfast time, maybe. Of course. Remember this routine? Come outside, play for like 5 minutes. Not even 5 minutes. It's only been like a minute and a half. No, we're getting water. Oh my gosh, I gotta sneeze. Hang on. We're gonna settle down. you a good girl, my? Are you a good girl? Oh. Okay, should we get breakfast? Who's hungry? You hungry? You're always hungry, my. Chaos, you ready for breakfast? Should I get breakfast? Okay, we'll go get breakfast. Breakfast time. Good early afternoon. Still beautiful. And we made it to the dog park. There they are. As you can see, we're right now the only ones here. I think we missed the morning crowd and are here too early for the lunch crowd. So, and we have the whole field to themselves. My. Mr. Chaos. Mr. Chaos, what's going on? What you thinking?
Miley, get out of there! Miley! Did you go? Instead of just watching her.
I was watching her. I was going over to see what she was doing. Probably eating the bug. What you doing, KK? Yep. KK. Come on, leave it. Bud. Come on, leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave the hole. Come on. Oh, did you find a ball? And we lost the ball. Oh, he has it. And she's trotting off that way. Let's see. Oh, she's right over here. Dog hole. There's probably dog hole. More holes. What you doing, Missy? Oh, PG-13, no pee shots. Hi, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Hey, my. Stiffing all the smells. She thought someone was coming in because Chaos had taken off. Oh, maybe someone is coming. No, that's our car. Got the ball? Hey, buddy. Okay, so I just finished my workout and we've been to the dog park and the dogs have had their lunch. Miley is now chilling with her stick, which she brought in from the backyard. She's like peaceful. And I can pretty much, oh, no, I'm surprised. I thought he was on the deck, but he's right here. Taking a snooze. Well, maybe not snoozing. You're not snoozing, are you? You're just mellow. You're just a mellow chaos. Look at you. You're so beautiful. Look at those eyes. Oh, yes, you're such a good boy. And that's what they're doing right now. Chris went to the gym. Jacob's at work. But these guys are just hanging. So that's cool. Her with her stick and they're just being good. So that's what's going on for right now. We'll see what the rest of the day brings. There'll probably be one more W and dinner and then maybe some evening playtime. And that'll be it for the day. So, all right. What a beautiful night. And of course, because hi, my. Hi, do you have your stick? Do you have your stick? Oh, she's been going in the yard, of course, because I brought it. And Chris and Chaos are over there. It's such a beautiful, beautiful night that I thought I could come outside and close out the day outside. There's there's the sunset. So now you've been bookmarked with the sunrise, and now I'm giving you the sunset. Should be right there. It's your sunset. Lovely. Beautiful night. It's just really nice out here. Oh, time to pick up poop. They're just chilling out there. Look, I think he's spooping over there. He's spooping. I can tell if he's spooping. Yeah, I can tell he's spooping. His little feet are displayed behind him. You can't see it there, but look, there they are. The two munchkins. The two furries. They're just hanging out there, enjoying the nice night. Whenever they get the tent up, we were going to set the tent up so we could hang out here. And of course, once again, we forgot. Oh well. Little nighttime love. Follow Daddy. You're gonna follow Daddy inside, huh? Gotta find Daddy. I know. Come on, buddy.
Come here, Chaos.
No, I don't wanna. I'm fine where I'm at. I'm not coming. I'm not coming. I'm definitely not coming.